Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our booth, and thank you for your time. And my name is Wen, and good afternoon again. And this is our latest products. And I have to introduce that first. When the traditional car needs to do the around view monitor, we have to use 4 cameras and to combine the images into one. But how about this? If we need a truck, maybe we need 4 times or 5 times cameras. It makes no sense, right? So what is the solution about this? We use the Scout drone. We use the Scout drone. We only need 1 camera, and it will fly up to 20 meters of height. And we can use the God's eye view to record all the videos and the images to let the drivers to know all the blind spots. As you can see that this is a hangar, and this is a hangar we call a house of a drone. Okay, so we have 3 points to make sure the drone is capable of doing these monitor issues. The first one is that, the first one is that the drone, the limited weight is only 249 grams. Why is this specific number? Because once the drone is over 250, it has to be past the registration, and there will be some area that is restricted to fly up. So once the drone is less than 249, it can the drone can be fly everywhere. The second one is that we don't need to manually operate the drone. In your idea that if you need to make the drone fly wherever you want to go, you have to use your phone or control to control it, right? So we want to eliminate the human operation mistake. So our solution is that we fix the drone where the drone should go. We use the AI to determine that the drone where it should be. For example, if they want to see the blind spot of the right side of the truck, we just press this. So as you can see in the video, the drone will fly to the right position and the corresponding height, so that the driver can see the blind spot area of the truck. Moreover, with these advantages, we can even see somewhere more than traditional around view video. For example, if you are stuck in a highway, you want to see what is happening ahead of your truck, what should we do? We just call the drone to fly ahead of the truck, like this. So as you can see that the driver can understand what is happening now, what is making the traffic jam on the highway. So we can have more possibilities with the new technologies of drone. So we instead of the traditional around view video, we think the drone can make more possibility of this. And we have the second point of our drone. There is a string, but there is a thin but a strong string to attach the drone and the hangar. We call it the tether. So with this tether, the drone can be seen as an extension of the vehicle itself. So means that we don't need the drivers doesn't need any license to operate this drone. Okay, and the last one is that the drone is AI intelligence supported. So which that, as you can see, here. Okay, as you can see in the video, the camera built in the drone is AI supported, so it can detect your obstacles or even some pedestrian around your car. So the head unit will remind you that there is something just around your car, and it can remind you that you have to be careful, you have to be more careful around your car. Yeah, so compared to the traditional around view video, we think the what we call Scout drone is the new adventures of safety. Okay, thank you.
Is this actually in production?
Not yet production right now.
When do you expect it to?
We expect it's 2026, but to be honest, it will be. We think it has to take more time because it's quite a new technology here, and we have to propose to other car makers because it had to integrate with the vehicle itself. Yeah, so we think it should be a long road, but we were trying to make it shorter.
Can you take a guess of how long?
How long? How about 2028? So is there any other question? Okay. And one more thing, I mentioned that there is the string, what we call tether, yeah, to attach the hanger and the drone itself, right? One of the advantages is that you may imagine that there is some, incidental happened. For example, the wind is too strong, or there is too some branches or trees, around in the sky, or even the drone fly too high to oversee the Wi-Fi signal range. So it might be malfunction, but when the drone detect the malfunction possibility, the tether will automatically retrieval to the hanger itself. So that is another security ensure method. The countries will follow European regulations. So we survey and we develop this product. We based on our survey result. Angles here. So this angle, this view angles can be discussed with the car makers. So if some car makers they have some more extra angles, we can also discuss with them. Yeah. And this is the traditional around view video goals. But the drone, the scout drone around view video can make more possibilities.